maybe that's why it's a mimosa rocks, because it's so beautiful. See, look at these rocks along the beach. See, that's the beach. We just walk, and this is the rocks. Oh, they call it mimosa rocks. Maybe that's why they name it mimosa. And that's the beach, very harsh. And this is the rocks. I'm holding my toes. See? Look at this concave rocks. Oh. Picture here. Mimosa rocks. And this is the water. Oh, it's coming. Oh, let's go. Let's go the surf here. See, look. It's beautiful. Oh, oh my. It's a treasure. Talaga naman. It's so beautiful. What is that? It's so beautiful. Maybe that's why they call it mimosa. Mimosa rocks. See? Different colors. Ne, ang ganda. Maybe that's why they call it mimosa rocks. Because of these beautiful rocks. See, look at this. It's so wonderful. It's so amazing. I think it's maybe they call the name here mimosa because it's so beautiful. Mimosa rocks. This national park is Mimosa Rocks.
Yes.
Maybe this is mimosa.
Very big.